Hello and welcome back. This is not space time of history of everything. Now we're talking about life. Yeah, but let's talk about what life is. Okay, to simply modify life, we have to answer it. What is life? Life is the specimen when it was created from the nothingness of lifeless time. Those amino acids formed and formed. More and more amino acids are forming, becoming a bigger group. And soon, a million and trillions of years have passed. And it is time to showcase every scattered world landscape. Let's begin. Millions and millions of years ago, after amino acids become one big thing, a genetic happened. DNA formed. Yes, DNA formed a million years ago. DNA was the first of ever life to exist. Those DNAs are the life of every life. And DNA attach. The first DNA to attach began. More and more DNA began to form. DNA forming because of the amino acids. Now there are many DNA dwelling amongst the seas. So many DNA formed. But there was something wrong. No chromosome didn't form yet. Yeah, because there was no chromosome on this era. And without it, cosmines will appear. Problems like solidifying, where the amino acids can't take it, and break down. There was one thing that will stable it, and it is still forming in our era. And this is 2.5 billion years ago, the first chromosome began. It looks strange because it looked like this, but over time we can understand why it looked like this, and it was the alien and it was the earliest form. Now let's answer it now. Because of the that is because of the thing, and something happened, a chain reaction. DNA began to go inside the chromosome. It was the very first time of the era of chromosome. Now, this is the earliest and first chromosome to form. It is called Neslapapex. Neslapapex is the first chromosome ever to protect a living DNA. Biotic genes didn't matter. Now what's happening? Now let's see what's happening. Not really much changes, but it's just getting bigger. Only you can see reproducing amino acids of carbon dioxide. Okay, let's zoom back. It was craziness on it. But I call this era the time of the era of chromosomes. So, thanks for watching. Goodbye.